Okay guys, spent the last day and a half working on the 99 Blazer, and what I was doing was replacing the radiator, the water pump, the thermostat, this hose here. I need to replace these oil lines right here, but I'm waiting on them to come in a couple of days. Put everything together, put the antifreeze back in, trying to bleed all the air out. Took it down the road for about 5 miles or so, drove it up some hills and stuff like that, just trying to get the air out and see how it's going to run. Got back to the house and almost decided it was done, but I thought, well, I better check and make sure the radiator's topped off and everything. And I started up, had it running, and I was watching the thermostat open and, watching the stuff in the radiator. And I glanced over here and there was oil all over here. And I immediately shut it off and pulled the dipstick and checked it, still in the safe range. What I found was this fitting is finger tight in there, and it's leaking right here. It's a Rock Auto radiator. Everything fit perfect. It didn't even dawn on me to check those. And you put it in, it's a push fit with the clips to lock it. Thankfully, I was standing here when it did it instead of on my way to work tomorrow morning. That almost ruined my engine. And we can say it's their fault for not tightening it, but really it's my fault for not checking to make sure they were tight. So guys, if you do this stuff, don't get lazy, don't get distracted, tighten all these fittings. Thanks for watching. That's what a 26-year-old radiator hose looks like. Never seen one completely flat like that.